Hey ladies, a friend of mine told me that if I wanted to get the views, I gotta start doing different material. So I found out that my roommate got a Jeffree Star mystery box, and I guess it's pretty popular, especially with the ladies. I thought I'd review what came in the box. So I don't know anything about this stuff, but I thought it'd be a good first impressions video. Someone who's not very aware of that man's brand and what he makes, and see what I think of his stuff. First, it came with a jacket. Yeah, it's a track jacket. Whoa, weird. Let me put this on real quick so you ladies can see. Yeah, I look good, right, ladies? Me and all the old people down at the yacht club will be in our tracksuits, ready. Alright, so the next one, it came with pants too. I'm not about to get up and show you my rear, maybe later. That's for the second date. Anyways, it came with this thing. See? Some beer. Oh. It's nice. And then it came with this stuff. It's a little, what's this thing? Velour lip scrub and cucumber mint. Yeah, that's this. Oh. So, my roommate says you can eat this stuff. Let's try out the lip scrub. Might get it in my stash a little bit. Something's falling in my mouth. This one's for the ladies. Just call me Sugar Lips. It's all over the place. What do you do? Lick it when you're done? Hey, that's not bad. You know, whatever your gender is, this might not be bad to buy anyways. You can put that in that'll fit in my track jacket pocket. If I'm out and about on the town, miss snack time, I'm good. I got a snack. Another item that came in the mystery box was one of these. Next item was this thing. Hey, look at all that. Love me not. These look like lipsticks. Yeah, let me pull one out real quick. They look like little lipsticks. That's kind of cute for the ladies or the guys or whoever. My roommate's a guy and he wears all this stuff. I'm not bothered about that. Yeah, so the next item is one of these. It's a lip liner. I put it on. It's in the color Anna Nicole. I remember her. You guys remember her? She's dead. That's it. On your lips. Everything in this box you should be able to make a look out of, right? So this is in the color Venus Flytrap. It's a lipstick. This is supposed to go with this? Oh no, let me go do it and see. So there we go. Is this what I'm supposed to do? I added these lines for dimension. Kind of reminds me of Christmas. Then you get a lip ammunition. And this is in the color Yummy. Yeah, yummy. Let's look at this. It's cruelty free. It's got a little bunny rabbit on it. Oh, I like this. It looks like a bullet. And I guess you just, whoa, open that up. Oh, that purple. Let's wash this. I see. Oh, where is it? Oh, I put it on top. And there you go. Oh, there she is. It's light. Okay. Really sheer and glittery. I'm gonna put it on top of this look. Yeah. So I put Yummy over Venus Flytrap lined with Anna Nicole. That's what you're supposed to do, right? So anyways, the mystery box, he got the big one, the most expensive one, came with this. A mini Jawbreaker palette with all these pretty colors. Got some weird names too. I swatched one called Oral and Foreplay. There they are. Look at it. That's nice. Last but not least, hold on. This is what I was excited about. And some of you kids might not know, it came with a vinyl record. There's the guy. That's Jeffree. Oh, hey! He's a Stu fan! Yeah! called Prom Night. Yeah. But I thought I'd show you guys another record. That one's gonna be great. But here's one of my favorites. Iron Butterfly. In-A-Gadda-Da-Vida. Yeah, and there they are rocking out. Oh, this is a classic. And look at them. Yeah, that's quality. And listen, all side 2 is In-A-Gadda-Da-Vida. The song's 17 minutes long. If you don't know it, listen to it. Thanks for watching me unboxes Jeffree Star thing, box makeup thing. It's nice. I might have to start doing me some makeup tutorials. The world is changing, ladies and guys. A lot of guys can be in the beauty community too. Yeah, you shook by my look? If you are, comment down below. I can't get any likes, so if you like what I got going on, let me know and I'll start doing more of these. Everyone have a great day. I gotta get back to work. Have a great day.